So we've installed the AXP Racing Skidplate together with the HepcoBecker crash bars. It was not an easy feat, but it is possible. So let's find out. My name is Dennis and welcome to the channel. This is part 2.5 from the Desertx build series. A couple of months ago I came in contact with Xavier from AXP Racing. AXP is a company which makes a lot of enduro and off-road add-ons for your bike. In the ADV world they're mostly known for their high quality special plastic skid plates. This has many advantages compared to steel or aluminum skid plates. For example, you don't get dents, no engine resonation, it's light and strong and you can easily adapt them. We have agreed that I would receive a prototype so I could test the fitment on the bike and the effectiveness. Before production we discussed some parts that should be on the skid plate. For example, it should be high enough to protect the front cylinder, wide enough to protect the water pump guard and long enough to protect the bottom of the motorcycle. But we had a challenge because I have installed crash bars from HepcoBecker on my bike. The mounting points are similar to the OEM crash bars, which means that we had to adapt the AXP skid plate. I went to Rick from Jack's Racing Garage and we went to work. We started with removing the OEM skid plate and the HepcoBecker water pump guard because that was not compatible with the AXP skid plate. We fitted the skid plate before without the crash bars and that was no problem at all. After trying to fit it with the crash bars, we first noticed that the mounting bracket, which mounts at the front of the engine, needed to be cut to be compatible with the crash bars. We figured out that this wouldn't impact the overall strength of the skid plate because the skid plate would lean into the crash bar. Because the mounting plate was made of the plastic, we could cut it with a handsaw. After refitting it, we noticed that the top of the skid plate would not fit the crash bars, so we decided to make some cuts with a grinder, sand it off and refitting again. After trying multiple times, we could slide the skid plate over the crash bars, use some longer bolts and it was installed. So, if you like this video and you want to see more Desertx or other motorcycle related content, please make sure that you subscribe, like and watch my other videos. Now back to the video. Afterwards I cleaned the skid plate a bit and we were good to go. I haven't tested extensively yet on an off-road track, but I will do soon. Here in the Netherlands our off-road tracks consist mostly of sand, dirt and forest tracks. So testing it on rocky surfaces will not be an option in the near future. But seeing the skid plate on other bikes, I'm sure it will hold up. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the fit without the crash bars and also happy with the fit with the crash bars. I do think that if you are planning to buy the skid plate and combine it together with an OEM or an HepcoBecker crash bar, you should be prepared to adapt and cut the skid plate. I'm not sure if AXP is planning to adapt it for use with crash bars, but if they do, I will leave a comment in the description. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I will see you in the next video.